Your 9 to 5 job, it might feel like a cage, but what if I told you it could actually be your launch pad? Most people hate their jobs because they only see the paycheck. They dream of freedom, side hustles, and wealth, but they think they have to quit to start. Here's the reality. The smartest way to build wealth quietly is to use your job as fuel, not a limitation. Today, I'll show you how to leverage what you already have to create freedom over time. Meet Sarah. She hated her 9 to 5. She thought she had to leave her job to start a business, but quitting was risky. No savings, no security. Instead, Sarah made a small mindset shift. She asked herself, how can I use my current job to build freedom? She automated a small portion of her salary into savings and investments. She used her free evenings to learn new skills online. She gradually started a side project with minimal risk. Fast forward 2 years, Sarah didn't need to quit. Her side income grew, her skills multiplied, and one day she freed herself from financial stress. The key? She built quietly, without showing off, without risking it all at once.
Most people underestimate patience. They want results in weeks, not years. But wealth is not built overnight. It compounds quietly. Think about it. If you invest even a small amount every month, you won't see much change in the first year. But fast forward 5, 10, 15 years, and the growth looks exponential. Your 9 to 5 gives you stability to play the long game. While others quit too early or chase quick money, you're quietly compounding savings, skills, and side income. That's how real freedom is built, with patience, consistency, and discipline. Protecting your energy outside of work. Here's something most people ignore. Your job may pay the bills, but it also drains energy. If you're not careful, you'll spend your evenings scrolling, binging shows, or complaining about work, instead of building your future. Protect your energy by setting boundaries with work when you clock out, using your evenings for skill building or side projects, taking care of your health so you actually have the energy to build quietly. Remember, it's not just about having time, it's about having the energy to use that time wisely.
In today's world, everyone wants to show progress online. The new gadget, the new car, the new side hustle launch. But wealth built quietly is stronger than wealth built loudly. Why? Because when you keep your goals private, you avoid unnecessary pressure and comparisons. You reduce distractions from people's opinions. You stay focused on progress, not performance. Some of the most successful people were invisible while they were building. Only when they reached a point of freedom did the world notice. That's the power of staying low-key. Turning your salary into a silent investor. Here's a perspective shift. Every paycheck you get isn't just money for bills, it's an investor waiting to be deployed. If you simply spend your salary, it disappears. But if you reframe it as capital, suddenly your job is funding your freedom. Allocate in percentages. 50% for needs, 30% for growth, skills, and side hustle, 20% for investments. Think of each dollar as an employee. The money you invest works for you while you sleep. Unlike your 9 to 5 hours, this work compounds forever. Prioritize assets over liabilities. Instead of buying the latest phone on credit, buy an ETF, crypto, or even a digital tool that helps you earn. The wealthy don't just earn more. They make their money work harder than they do. Your job is the seed, but only if you plant it in the right soil.
Most people think their 9 to 5 gives them security, but true security doesn't come from your employer. It comes from self-sufficiency. Job security equals paycheck security. The moment it stops, you're exposed. Financial security equals freedom security. That comes from savings, skills, and side hustles. The smart play is use your job to buy independence. Instead of clinging to it as the end goal, treat it as the bridge to your next level. Think of your job as training wheels. It keeps you steady while you build something bigger. The goal isn't to rely on it forever, but to let it carry you long enough to outgrow it. That's the paradox. The more you leverage your 9-to-5 correctly, the less you'll ever need it. Here's the mindset you need. Your job is not your enemy. It's your tool. It gives you consistent cash flow. It gives you resources for investment. It gives you time to experiment safely. Building quietly means avoiding flashy spending that screams, "Look at me!" Saving and investing without announcing it. Using your job to fund growth instead of lifestyle inflation. Most people fail because they either quit too early or spend too much while waiting for freedom. Quiet builders succeed because they compound wealth and skills simultaneously.
Step 1. Automate your savings. Set aside 10 to 20% of your salary automatically. Don't think of it as money you're losing, it's money working for you. Step 2. Upgrade your skills. Take online courses, learn high-income skills. Even 1 hour a day adds up massively over a year. Step 3. Start a side project safely. Pick something with low upfront cost. Test your idea quietly. No need to broadcast until it works. Step 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't upgrade your car or gadgets every time you get a raise. Instead, funnel the extra cash into your side hustle or investments. Step 5. Track progress and adjust. Look at growth every few months. Ask, is my side income growing? Are my investments compounding? Adjust your strategies without quitting your job too early. Remember, the wealthiest people didn't start by quitting everything. They built quietly, leveraged what they had, and let time do the heavy lifting. Your 9-to-5 isn't a trap. It's your foundation for freedom. Treat it as fuel, not a cage. So here's today's challenge. Take a small step to use your job to your advantage. Automate a portion of your salary. Dedicate 30 to 60 minutes daily to skill building. Explore a small side project quietly. The key is consistency and patience. Freedom doesn't happen overnight. It happens quietly, steadily, and strategically. Start today, build quietly, and let your future self thank you.